clothing stores in Seminyak. So we're gonna go down and meet everyone and introduce ourselves, check out the clothes, and we're gonna create some content for them.
So we've got 7 collabs lined up, and each collaboration is basically we get to walk into the store, meet the owner, try on some clothes, pick out an outfit, and then walk out.
You can stay
We
fueled.
promised them 1 to 2 posts per collaboration, so we're gonna do 7 times 2 posts on our Instagram, completely flood it with clothing and shopping. Am I right?
Clothes. Clothes. Some have deliverables, some don't have deliverables. Some are just like, take the clothes and we're excited to see what you do. Others are like, well, we'd love 2 posts if we're gonna give you like a $250 outfit, which is fair. So
we have about 3 stores.
I have really good news for you girls.
Riker and I are gonna come with you for a little bit.
Our mascots.
They look so thrilled. So excited about that.
Like 9 now till around 10 p.m.
They won't car for the whole day.
3, 4, 4 to 5.
10. Yeah, 30 hours.
No, 17.
13.
13 hours. It's 13
Yeah,
hours.
13
Oh,
hours.
13.
Yeah.
okay, so 7 yak back.
How much you want?
A few
You
stops.
give me the price.
400,000 is good price.
So how much?
400.
No.
No.
Please.
That's a good price.
Sorry, yeah.
It's the perfect day. If there's one thing that Alyssa and I love, perhaps I don't know if it's more than yoga, I don't know if it's more than coffee, but shopping is up there.
And eating
and eating is up there.
beverage.
Have a little bevy, mimosas.
It's definitely a love, one of them.
But all of them together in one day.
Very much looking forward to this. Very, very much.
Well, I would, but... There you go. All right. Find some shit. They'll make you look very tall. Ooh. Ah. This is stop number 1 of how many? How many do you think you're gonna make it through?
I'm going to a bar. What is it, 10:30 a.m.?
You got other plans for the day?
Instagram boyfriend. So we thought we'd do something a little different. Today is all about the ladies. So Mindy and Alyssa have lined up 6 or 7 different shops in Bali that they've created a wicked little partnership exchange where these shop owners and managers are giving them free clothes, like ballin' nice clothes, in exchange for some posts on their Instagram accounts. So nice little leverage factor, but it's a ladies shopping day out. It's the big day out for the ladies. Alexi and I are here as the tag-along film crew. Not sure how long we're gonna survive. Regardless, this is one of the perks of having a bit of social leverage and building a brand and knowing how to create relationships with the businesses. If you want to learn how to do this too, click the link below, jetsetterboss.com. We're teaching all this stuff. Like these ladies, they are our prodigies. I like to take all the credit for that. No, that's not true. But to be fair, everything that they've learned is based on a skill set that we teach. So if you want to learn how to do this too, if you're in the fashion world, you know, maybe I'll have a conversation. You might see me in a little one piece later on.
So we're gonna continue to hang out. We're gonna go get a coffee. Now Riker has done this before in the past. He has gotten us like 20 pairs of free underwear before. And some bags, virtual bags. So he's dabbling in this world. But these ladies, it took it to a whole new level. 7 shops in a row in one day. You look like Tinkerbell.
Oh, that's nice. Tinkerbell.
I think you're good to go.
We're good to go, yeah.
Gold.
Because I know this friend has been here for like 10 years.
Yeah, it's exhausting doing this shopping, ladies. You gotta stay hydrated and caffeinated and lubricated.
Definitely caffeinated.
Wow. Well done, Miss Mindy. That's beautiful. It's a very formal look.
I like the back. Back is great.
Ooh, Miss Alyssa.
Yeah, if it like tapered it.
No move, yeah. No move, yeah. Just like that.
Are we happy with this one?
Yeah, we have.
Very happy.
Here we didn't actually have anyone meet you, like no marketing manager, no owner, nothing.
No.
Just come in, pick out what you need, and that's nice and easy and hands off.
Super easy, yeah.
It's always good. And these are fancy places, right? What's the price point on this stuff here?
Didn't look actually.
Didn't even look.
Yeah, just chose.
Just chose based on what you like, not based on price. Isn't that a good feeling, walking in and not having to even wonder about prices? Just pick up based on what you like.
Thank you. Bye.
Isn't it wonderful when you get free stuff and then they thank you for it? Do you want to stay for a mojito or are you ready to go? Riker has given up all motor control of the situation. All right, ladies, I think this is where we leave you. It's lunchtime. We have hit up a number of places and breakfast and fly free on your own now.
Thank you for being here.
Yeah, happy to be here. Riker and I are due to go have our own boys' day while you have your girls' day. Anyways, good luck, best of luck. Enjoy the rest of your shopping day, and we'll see you tonight once you're all done.
Bye, boys. Bye. Bye. Yay!
I'm kidding.
The first place we're gonna go is actually right here. It's called Red Carpet in Bali. We don't know anything about it except that they have this really dope little moped out front, so we're gonna go have a look at it.
Gonna take a look. Yay, let's go. Okay, we have made a pit stop at a spa, Nirvana Spa, and Mindy and I are gonna get foot rubs and manicures at the same time, side by side. All right, Mindy, our nails are all finished. What color did you get?
Nice little maroon scenario.
I got a nude, my favorite color.
So now we're off to a store called
Lily Jean.
Lily Jean. Hi.
Hello.
We're Mindy and Alyssa. We're here doing a collaboration. Who's ready? Okay.
Yay.
You ready?
I'm ready. You ready?
Ready.
Ready.
Okay. So
Yeah.
this is, and I think it might be the option for me.
I'm happy they fit, 'cause these are small, I think, so.
Yeah, but they look great on you. The one piece. So comfortable.
Yeah, right?
Now me.
Now you.
Sundays we don't wear.
Hi. I'm Mindy. Sorry, camera.
Yeah, Sophia asked me to meet you, and yeah, you can choose 2 pieces in here, or you two, and after that you go to next door, our sister company, Indigo and Rose.
Oh,
Yes.
thank you.
So much. Hello.
Take your time.
Okay,
Yeah.
sweet. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Now we're going right next door.
It's called Indigo and Rose, so it's their sister company. And we get to go pick out an outfit from here. Well, thank you, Jessie. Thank you so much. It was so nice meeting you.
It's so nice meeting you guys. You've been lovely and so fun to have a chat with you. So we just visited store number 6 of 8 and the owner Jessie was amazing. So Little Island is her passion project.
Yeah, her and a girlfriend.
Her and her girlfriend's
Yes.
passion project, and it was so cool because her store is a collection of all these different items that are collected by her from people that she knows around the island and from other countries and stuff, and you could actually feel that she like,
There was love.
yeah, there's a lot of love in the store, so it was really cool meeting her. And now we just stopped at a Warung, we're gonna have a couple bintangs, and we're also gonna conglomerate all of our shopping bags.
It's time.
We are walking down the street with like just way too many bags, so we're gonna.
It's a good
try
problem to have.
And then we're gonna hit up the last 2 shops, hopefully catch a sunset, and then we're gonna go show the boys all of our new treasures.
Fashion show! We are on number collab 6 of 8, and we were at Little Joe Woman. We're very excited. We just left Little Island store, which is super lovely, and we're gonna go check out Little Joe Island.
So Alyssa and I just had a hilarious and slightly awkward experience.
But that comes with the job occasionally, and it's okay. So this is what happened.
So of all the places we've worked with today, there's actually only been one place where the owner's been present. All the other places, it's been like the regular staff that are working there because a lot of the owners are overseas, like in Australia or North America or something like that. And so we showed up for our collaboration that we were supposed to have here at this one particular shop.
And so the 2 of the owners wanted to be there. And in the previous emails, she wanted to rearrange the meeting, and I was like, you know what, we're still gonna show up. So we showed up to the show.
Tried on a bunch of stuff, like picked out a bunch of clothes, brought them into the change rooms. Like I had tried on 3 items, Alyssa tried on a couple, and then we get a phone call from the owner saying, you know what, I think I would actually prefer to
Be there, we're gonna pull the collab.
yeah. They
Yeah.
would like to do the collab on another day when she can actually be in store, which is totally fair because
makes sense.
she wants to actually be there so she can meet us and all that kind of stuff, which is pretty dope. Like we actually appreciate that.
Creates more substance, I think, to get to know the owner.
Yeah, I think
Right?
that's true
Yeah.
because then you can see who's like behind the shops that you're actually trying to support, and like all the content that you create, you can see that it actually is like helping an actual human and not just like some giant dynasty where no one knows you exist. And
Nice
like
to
all
get
that
the
stuff.
story.
So on one hand we're like, we totally get it, and like we're grateful for it, and on the other hand when we were standing in our matching dresses and instead it wasn't like, oh, you get to walk out with stuff like everywhere else, it was like, actually please just
get
go
out of
home.
these.
We were like, okay, so we'll just take these dresses off and we'll talk to you later. So and this is the nature of collabing, is that sometimes things go through and other times things just don't really work out. So
Last minute, right?
Well,
Last minute, sometimes they don't.
It's true. Last shop,
All right, last shop, Bamboo Blonde right here.
Bamboo Blonde. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like what you see, make sure you hit the bell above and hit subscribe, because we want you to see the rest of our videos because they're always very interesting, and more often than not it's the boys doing cool things like flips and jumps, not getting their hair did. But if you're interested in learning more about how Alyssa and I managed to go shopping all day long and have the hands of a god rub our head for a little while, then click the link below and learn more about the Jet Setter Boss community, which will teach you more about how to leverage social media to do what you love to do and live the life of your dreams. So again, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell above, and click the link below to see more about the Jet Setter Boss community. And again, like the page, share all of this with your friends, do all the things, because we're doing daily vlogs every single day for the next 6 weeks at least. So do the thing, and we'll see you later.